Hello, it's Willie and Anna with the Garcia
Hi.
Real Estate Team, bringing you a very special video today. This video is about military families and helping them become homeowners. If you're a veteran of the military or know of somebody, please make sure to share this video because it's really important for us to help our military families become homeowners. What's going on is that there's a lot of military families out there that aren't aware that they could buy a home with literally zero money down, no money down at all. So Anna, tell me, what are some of the benefits?
Well, one of the biggest benefits for you, the VA buyer, is that you do not have private mortgage insurance. What is private mortgage insurance? It's an added cost to your monthly mortgage that you simply do not have when you purchase a home as a VA buyer. Now, whereas someone else that was not purchasing through VA would have to have private mortgage insurance if they were coming in with less than 20% on their home purchase. Now that's a huge benefit for you, the VA buyer.
Absolutely. Here are some additional benefits. Your closing cost. You as a veteran, we can ask for the seller to pay all your closing costs, or also through your VA loan, we can ask the lender to credit you back the closing costs. So in essence, you would be able to buy a house with zero down. That means no down payment, no closing costs.
One of the most important steps in obtaining your VA home loan is in obtaining your certificate of eligibility. And one of the ways that you can also access that information is by going online yourself, or your lender can also access that information. You, the veteran, only are required to come in with a minimum of 620 credit score.
So if you're in the military or know of military family, please share this video. It's important for our families out there to know what their benefits are.
Yes.
Anna and I have been able to help many military families in our career get into home ownership. It's time that somebody starts serving them versus them serving us. We'll see you again. Thanks for watching.
See ya.